So it looks good so far. Directly off a website, so best to probably install directly from the Play Store. So it is available from the Play Store. If I search for that one, Knocky Lock, click on there and just click install. Okay. Padlock, and it's asking for a QR code. So this is the QR code that was in the box. It's on this slip here. Let me do that off camera. Lock, and confirm that. There you go, bind successful. Okay, so now we see the lock just here, and if I click on there, you can see it. So if I click unlock now, the way it's connected is via Bluetooth. So it does turn off, so it's in the off position at the moment. So if I just activate it, so it powers, give it a minute. There you go. So it connects via Bluetooth and then it unlocks it. It's pretty nice, you know, managing to remotely unlock it. Next thing, fingerprint settings. So register a fingerprint. I've already tested this once.
Press the finger. Press the finger again. 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 Register successful.
Okay. If we go back, so I should be able to just go up to it and go.
Search for the free MasterLock Vault eLocks app in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Download, install, and open the app. Now create a new MasterLock Vault account, or log into an existing account if you're already a MasterLock Vault user. Once you're logged in, scroll through the introduction screens. Select Add a Lock and enter your lock's activation code when prompted. And then touch Continue. Your new lock will now show up in your lock list.